Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. These big utility sinks. And let's take a look at overall sizes first. The sink entire length is about like 3 feet, 36 inches. And the overall height, they are about like 41.5 inches tall. And from the edge to the bottoms, they are about like 32.5 inches tall. For the depths of the units, they are about like 24.5 inches in total. So the units coming from the manufacturer, they come with one filters. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. The units have a 2-hole at the back for you to mount the faucets on top of it. And between the 2 hole, the diameters, they are about like 8 inches. And for the dimensions of the sink, inner side, they are about like 21 inches in the depth and 13 inches in the height. And the length still the same, 36 inches and 3 feet. This will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.